You have the question which kind of heated insoles you have to use for cycling. I will respond right now with this video. So first of all, hit the like button below, because friends of mine are telling me that I will not get more than 50 likes for such kind of video, because normally, as you know, I make videos for backpacks. So let's jump in for Bertschat Heated Pro insoles. It will come across with a remote control where you could turn on, turn off, and you have 3 different heating levels, so low, medium and high. And if you don't have your remote control with you, you could also turn on, turn off, or put the 3 different heating levels in place by pushing this button. And here is the plug to charge. How long does it last to charge and how long does it heat? You will find it in the link below. You will there get into my German webpage, and there I have written it in a review. First of all, you could cut it 2 times to get 3 different lengths, sizes. So in that example is 40 lengths. So I think in UK it's 7.5. So you could cut it here on the line, and you have 38, 39, 40. The good thing, and I like this also very much, is because of the heel, it's not a hard version. So you have here a foamy inside and a very hard middle sole. So it's like the same in your jogging shoe. The middle sole, and especially for the soccer boots, you could see it even better. The middle sole is very rigid to have a very stable form. So in front of the foot, close to the ball of the foot, it's very flexible and thin material. As you could see, it's very good shaped, and also in the middle it's very good that it gives you a very comfortable walking behavior. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below, and close to your comment, leave me next to it an idea what should be the next out of the box synced video. So you have to look this video right now here, because this will show you 7 different heated insoles, and see you in the next video.